So ladies and gentlemen, this rig is worth 79,000 rupees और इस rig की मदद से आप कोई भी AAA टाइटल और कॉम्पिटिटिव गेम 1080p के रेजोल्यूशन पे आराम से खेल सकते हैं. Let's check out the specs now. Starting off with the CPU, we have the Intel i7-12700F. Followed up with the motherboard, we have the B760MA Bomber Wi-Fi. When we talk about the memory, it's the Corsair Vengeance 16 gigs of RAM at DDR5 RAM at 5200 MHz. When we talk about the graphics card, we have the RTX GeForce 3060 Ti. When we talk about the case, we have the Cooler Master K501L RGB. And when we talk about the storage, we have the Crucial P3 1TB SSD. So अगर आपको भी ऐसा ही PC build चाहिए, so you can call us at +917080100206. This is Wire Prestige. Peace out.